Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a chicken recipe today. We are making a starter, honey garlic chicken. This is super simple to make and I've tried this recipe with boneless chicken. The ingredients list is given in the description box, so do check it out. Before we move into the video, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, share and comment. So let's move into the video. So to begin with, I've taken chicken pieces here. I'm using chicken thighs, boneless pieces which I've cut into cubes. You can also use the breast portion of the chicken. So I've cut it into cubes, cleaned and washed it and kept it ready. Into this we are going to add some garlic powder. If you don't have garlic powder, you can just add minced garlic instead. And also salt and pepper to taste. Now we'll rub all of this together into the chicken. Now we'll let this marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I've taken soy sauce, honey and some minced garlic in a bowl. I'm going to mix all of this together and keep it aside. I've heated some butter in a pan. I'm going to add the marinated chicken pieces to this. We'll fry these in batches because if we add too many pieces, then it's going to not cook properly. Now we'll let the chicken brown and turn a little crisp. Keep flipping it and cook it until it's browned and crisp. So now you can see the chicken has browned and it's turned a little bit crispy. Now into this chicken, I'm going to add water. If you have chicken stock, you can add chicken stock as well. So we'll add the water in. And along with it, we'll also add the mixture which we have kept ready. That's the soy sauce, honey and minced garlic mixture. Let's pour this into the chicken. Mix everything together and we'll cook this covered for 10 to 15 minutes. The chicken should absorb all the soy sauce and the garlic flavor. Now you can see the chicken has turned a little brown in color. It's soaked up all the juices. Now we'll just cook it for a few more seconds. So the chicken is done now. Let's add the white sesame seeds on top and just give it a toss. Now the chicken is ready. Let's switch off the stove and this is ready to be served. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.